Snuggle Stories presents Cats on Halloween Night, written by Lindsay DeRollo and illustrated by Poliquit. Clever cats with witches' hats out on Halloween night. Black, ginger striped, they roam about, hidden from sight. Big tough cats and shy kitty cats watch trick-or-treaters go by. Sneaky cats play hide and seek under the black velvety sky. Mischievous cats find Halloween snacks, shiny candy wrappers, crinkly and gold. Flashlights go by. Quick, run and hide. Elves and fairies dance down the road. Cats scurry over branches and jump over leaves. Where will they go from here? The moon shines bright. Oh, what a sight! They now know that midnight is near. They follow spooky trails and chase after tales. Phew! Their home is now in sight. They yawn and they stretch and curl up in their beds, safe, warm, and cozy on Halloween night.
Happy Halloween! Like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next week!